pure vintage. That's what we're about. We decided this year to go fully vintage, just see how it goes, and we're blown away. We're absolutely blown away. There's vintage clubs from all over, Harlow, Waterford, nearly Kilkenny, and all our neighbouring clubs here from Wexford, and we're blown away.
Savage Tornado tractors, all vintage. I'm driving a Marshall 802 Turbo. It's only restored.
Here in Clonroche for the Stevens tractor, and it's pure vintage. There's a good turnout now, yeah. There's a good few machines.
Upon a fine display of pure vintage machinery, it's fantastic, you know. I'd really like to thank the Irish Vintage Society for their continued support. They're the backbone of everything we do here. They're facilitating this kind of thing all over the country. You go to Kerry, you go to Donegal, doesn't matter. The Irish Vintage Society are there. We're hugely grateful.